Yo, what's up, guys? So check this out. My friend Ann, I told her, I was like, hey, let's go on a date. And she's like, okay. But what she doesn't realize is, it's not going to be no ordinary date, guys. I'm famous for not talking, correct? So I have the perfect idea. So this whole date, I'm not going to say a word to her. Let's see how she reacts. You guys ready for this? Is this something that would intrigue you guys to be like, is he really like not gonna say anything? So like, I'm gonna be me. I'm gonna be the Dan from Instagram and from everything that y'all know tonight on a real date. Y'all like it? I think it's a good idea. We're gonna try it out and see how it goes. Y'all let me know and tell me if y'all think this is a good idea. All right, now I'm gonna see y'all in a second. I'm about to hop in the car. So guys, hopping in the car. I'm trying to think of where to take her. If we can't find where to take her, we'll probably just like chill in the car and talk for a little bit or something like that. But I really want to take her somewhere out in public and just not say a word to her. I think she'll get mad. She'll probably get mad. I think she'll get mad. Sushi sounds good, doesn't it? I'll probably like communicate with her through text, head nods, and let's practice. She'll be like, how you doing today? Oh, he's gonna be lit. Oh yeah, trust this, it's gonna be funny. You guys ready? Oh, the hills. I hate them, guys, the hills. She's in this hotel all the way in the damn hills. And these damn hills is really, really annoying, guys. But anyway, I'm a little worried that she might get mad at me. Go ahead. I'm a little worried that she might get mad at me, guys. Because like I told her, I was like, hey, I want to take you on a date. So she really doesn't know. Like, it's gonna be funny. Y'all know her from Instagram. Her name is Ann Moore. That's the girl I did the video with, the Switch video with. Hold on, let me pull over here. Okay, got the camera straight. Liddy, like two Bajas. Anyway, that made no sense. It did make sense because I didn't want to be like that. But anyway, so she texted me and said she was coming down. We'll see. I am still a little worried that I hope she don't get mad. She can be like, because I told her, I was like, let's go on a date. She's like, okay. I said, look, I'm gonna film it for the YouTube, you know, and yeah, hopefully it'll work out. It'll be fun. And I said, she's like, oh, okay, cool. But she doesn't know that I'm not gonna talk. I think it's gonna be lit. I really think it's gonna be lit. She texted me. Let me text her. Going on here. Downstairs. Where you at? You know how women are like, I'm on my way? Yeah. 24 hours later. Missing everything. You feel me? Oh. Hi, how you doing? Is that the guy with the beard? That's the guy with the beard. Yeah, the hop, all that, yeah. I'll forget before she comes down here. Let me put some of that in my beard too. Put it in the beard. They really smell the whiff whenever you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Oh, this shit smell good too. Let me tell y'all something. That shit hard. Smell good as hell. Oh snap. Oh. Oh, let me get the door. Let me get a gentleman real quick.
Thank you. Hey, what's up? So what are you up to? What are we doing tonight? Yo, like I just had the craziest skit that I just finished. I'm so tired. Like, I'm starving. What are you in the mood to eat? Well, let's go. Let's figure something out. Where do you want to go? Anyways, what do you do today? What are you doing tomorrow? Whatever. Yeah, man. I'm so starving, so please, can we please go get something to eat? Where are we going? What are you in the mood to eat? Look, this is not Instagram. Like, say something. Dan, are you serious? Bro, what are we eating? Where are we going? What are you trying to say? Bro, please. Oh my gosh. I haven't, look, please, I'm starving and I need to hear voices. Bro, like, can you say something? The what? Bro, gonna make me go crazy. All right, so how are you doing today? What did you eat today? Spaghetti and a burger. How's your mom? Okay, what can I ask that'll make you open your... If you don't say anything, that means you eat ass. Oh my gosh! The police pulls you over right now. What are you gonna say? Say something or I'll cut your beard. I don't even have any scissors. Please, can you say something? You smell good. What is that? What kind of car is this? I can't read. I don't know what that says. Can you please pronounce that? What is that? I don't know what that says. What is it? OMG, you better not have Siri talk. Siri talks more than you do. No, wait, pause. You're really not saying nothing? For bro? Let's do some karaoke or something. Why? Play some music. Let's sing along. You're giving me a headache. Say something. Bro, We are not filming right now. You're not gonna tell me to stop? Don't go? You don't give a. You're not gonna beg for me to stay? Oh my god. This can't be happening right now. Can you please say something and I'll stay? Say something or I'm going. Oh, he's gonna ask you something.
Hey, yeah, he told me you guys are filming a video here, right? No?
Ask him all the questions you need to ask.
Oh, okay, well, I mean, so you're either gonna have to pay for the parking, but you can't just like be here like filming right now. So, I mean, you can go off the property and film if you want, but yeah. Oh, okay.
You could have asked something where he says something. You wanted to answer me.
Yeah, so like you gotta go. If you're not gonna, you can either get out and pay or get your car parked, or you gotta go. Grace, you might have to call sheriff. So you gonna go or not, man? You go do this right out front there. You just can't be on the property doing it.
So you do this all day, every day? Oh my god. What? Loud ass. This sounds like a lawnmower. What year is this? What year is this? What year is this car? You breathe more than you talk. Alright, where are we going? Oh my god. It is too quiet in here. Please say something. I hope you don't do this to anyone else. This is very awkward. You don't care. You do care. So, like, just say something so I get a little comfort over here, because it's very quiet. That's too. Oh my god. How old are you? You kissed yourself. Yo, it feels like I'm talking to myself. No, I feel crazy right now. Can you say something? What? Look, I'm not good at something. Just say something. Look. So you're not gonna say anything? Yo, do you know how long we've been in this car? You haven't said a word. So can you please say something? Please, no, for real. Can we like leave the Instagram on Instagram? This is how you are in person, for real. Come on, Rue. Like, if you don't say anything, I'm leaving. Stop. Like, come on. Are you serious? Rue, I'm about to leave. Yo, you're annoying and you really just wasted my time.
Well, guys, she's pissed. I'm definitely gonna have to call her and apologize, but it's okay. I think it went well. Next time, I think I really need to go to a restaurant. I think that'd be great if I do it at a restaurant. That'd be awesome, don't you guys think? But anyway, guys, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed that. Was not saying a bunch of nothing, but saying a whole lot of something. Did that make any sense? No, probably not. But guys, I love you guys. And remember, birds of a feather flock together, and you guys are my feathers. And I'm a bird, naked bird. I need you guys to flap your wings with me. Anyway, guys, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I got more crazy stuff coming. You know, I'm always doing these random crazy stuff. Y'all comment below what y'all want to see me do, pranks, etc., whatever, car stuff, whatever. Let me know. Bye, guys. Love y'all. All right.